I'm Deathlake. In this video I'm going to be going through the haul me and the human guinea pig got from the student night. I'm going to first off put off an image of the free ice cream we got from John Lewis, and then I managed to redeem my free taco. And then, let's see. So from House of Fraser. So start off with House of Fraser, the human guinea pig was able to win this control bomb thing. I didn't win the thingy. So this is what the cream is. Oop. 2 packs of candy from a store. This was also from John Lewis. It's perfume. Just perfumes. In John Lewis we each got a goodie bag each just for signing up, which is ironically Waitrose. So Waitrose inside of John Lewis giving away goodie bags. So for example in my bag is this isn't including the papers and stuff. Oh, so flour to order, some recipe cards, marshmallows.
Imagine if you melted some chocolate.
Yeah. So we each got different things in our bags. Pitted black olives. Pineapple slices and fruit juice. So these bags were free. Water. Bottle of water. A bag of... No, not a bag. A can of peas. Waitrose peas. And a can of small potatoes. In a store they were giving away these voucher things, so it's the same £5 off protein. The same thing from the Fresh Affair. A free 9-inch pizza with after a £5 spent. In Boots they were giving away these vouchers. It's 50p off vouchers. For example, Black Hunt Raspberry, 50p off. A bunch of these. 2 condoms from Durex. No. 2 Durex condoms from Boots. There was a free photo booth. Unfortunately, because it was a green screen, my hair was just missing. Yeah, I know. So in the human guinea pig's bag is... Oh, I also had this magazine thing. So he had original blend around tea bags. A can of carrots. Plum tomatoes. Green peas. Spaghetti. And a bottle of water. And then for this this bag is a curry's menu. No, not menu, a curry's recipe. A health magazine with stuff. They were also giving away on trays like the little chips and just candy.
It was like wine gums. And
yeah, and then House of Fraser
was giving away alcohol.
Yeah, and little cake things. I didn't take a photo of that. I just ate it. Yeah, same magazine. Recipe cards. Oh, recipe cards. Oh god, I'm so ill. The food made to order. So I think these are just... Are they? No, wait. These are the food they sell. Yeah, this is actually the food they sell. And then the nutritional information. Quite good, quite good. I didn't realise they did sandwiches. that later. A newspaper. A magazine.